My people, my people, it's the wealthy guy here, and today I'm gonna be talking about how to get 3 looks with just 1 look. So style is not about how many articles of clothing that you have or how much clothes you have or how expensive they are. Style is all about how you put your clothes that you do have together. So for the first look, it's the look that I have on right now. And this is a classic Dapper Man look. So I have on my tweed jacket, I have some blue trousers on, I have on a vest, I have a blue gingham print shirt, and I have a tartan tie and a purple pocket square. Now, with this look, I just removed the jacket, and now I have a vest, the shirt, the tie, minus the pocket square, so a little more dressed down, a little more casual, but still giving you that dapper look. And for the last look, I've removed the vest, put the jacket back on, and this gives you a totally different look, right? The tie is more visible, it gives it this pop of color that you can really see in the front. It's the wealthy guy here, and remember, you don't need a lot of clothes to be stylish. You just need classic, timeless clothing that will last you a long time and never go out of style.